Y'all, I am so excited to show y'all what I picked up from Neiman Marcus this week. I got another, you guessed it, Saint Laurent piece. I cannot wait to show y'all.
What? You bought a purse from Saint Laurent?
Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ashley Delmore and I put up videos on fashion, beauty, and luxury on Fridays. So if that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and click subscribe and turn on the bell and you'll be notified whenever I put out new videos. Today's video, I'm showing you my latest purchase from Saint Laurent. So you all remember a few videos back, I talked about how Saint Laurent was doing less and less sales. The holiday season has been wild. I have seen sales with Saks Fifth Avenue, Neiman Marcus, My Teresa, Essence, just to name a few, as well as YSL's own private sale. So if you're out there looking for a good deal on a Saint Laurent bag, now is the perfect time to get one. I've also mentioned that I wasn't supposed to be shopping for new luxury items right now, as me and my husband are in the process of purchasing a home. So I just couldn't help myself, and the sales were just too good, and you get gift cards that you can use for future purchases, and it's just a great time to buy luxury items right now. So I picked one up. So this particular item I mentioned on my channel before, and it's a small item for Saint Laurent, but it's extremely popular, and I think it's excellent value. So without further ado, I'm going to open the box. First things first, I love that even though I purchased this item from Neiman Marcus, it still came with the normal Saint Laurent packaging. That makes me so happy. So story time, I actually haven't seen this particular item in person. When I went to the Neiman Marcus store, they had only one of this model available in a different colorway, but I knew in my heart of hearts that I wanted a lighter color. So the associate at Neiman Marcus actually ordered this one for me and they were awesome. They got it shipped to me in 2 days, so I will be able to take it with me as I'm shopping for a formal dress for my sister-in-law's wedding. Authenticity card, dust bag, everything's here. Do you know which item I picked out? All right, here it is. This is the Saint Laurent Uptown Pouch or Clutch. Right off the bat, this was packaged really, really well. I love that they have this piece of foam protecting the leather on this clutch. Ooh, it goes all the way inside. Let's pull it out. There it is. They call this color soft crema, and I love it because on the website it actually looked to be a little bit more of a bright white, but I love that this is an off-white. There's just something so beautiful and chic about this. It's got a really nice and strong magnetic closure, so it's really easy to open and close. And then of course you have the beautiful Saint Laurent hardware on it. This item is a steal for luxury items. So the Saint Laurent Uptown clutch retails for $595. You will be very hard pressed to find a similar luxury item that's this quality with all leather at this price point. I've seen a lot of people put chains on theirs. I'm not sure if that's something I will do, but we're gonna have to see. Okay, let's take a look inside the Uptown pouch. This bag is really just an envelope made out of leather and fabric. There's no type of organization on the inside. You're not gonna have a pouch to hold anything. You're not gonna have a space for cards. It's literally just an envelope. Generally, people tend to carry this for more evening occasions, so all you really need is to be able to throw your phone in there, a lipstick, some cards, maybe some keys, and you're good to go. I'll show you exactly what fits inside. This is primarily meant to be held as a clutch. I have seen some people put a chain on theirs. I'm not sure that's something I'm going to do, but I have seen it done. It's just a really small and chic item from Saint Laurent. I've had this on my list for a while and I could totally see me getting this in another color. It's absolutely stunning, and at the price point of $595, I think it's a really good item to get an entry taste of luxury. Okay, so let me show you what fits inside. Spoiler alert, not very much. So I've got my iPhone 12 for reference. It fits perfectly in here. I have a lipstick and I have my car key. I have my car key only, which I usually carry it on a Louis Vuitton 6-key holder, but that was too bulky to fit in this slim pouch. This is all I really need for a formal event, so this is gonna work just great for me. All right, so let's talk about the sales. I have seen two different types of sales. So on one hand, you have the major department store sales like Saks Fifth Avenue, Neiman Marcus. Their sales have been completely open to the public, and they've been giving these great gift cards that you can use for future purchases. You can also combine getting the fact that you're getting a gift card with Rakuten, and you can earn cash back on your purchases. I've seen it as high as 15% for Saks Fifth Avenue and 10% for Neiman Marcus. So now is a great time to purchase a Saint Laurent item. The other type of sale I've seen is a private sale. So you've got Saint Laurent's private sale, My Teresa has had a private sale, and Essence, and all of those private sales are exactly as they sound, private. So if you don't have purchase history, and in some cases, if you don't have enough purchase history, you're not going to be able to participate in those sales. And the other thing that I don't always love with those sales is the fact that only some items are included in the private sales. It's not every item in the collection. Versus if you were able to get a bag from one of the department stores, you can often select the one that you've been looking for. So please let me know in the comments if you've gotten to participate in any of the sales, and let me know what you got. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you here. Until the next video, bye!